this is going to be the first car that I do on video. Um, so when you see this Bimmerfinders logo, you see the Bimmerfinders, any of that t-shirt that I'm wearing, whatever. Bimmerfinders is something that I put together because I'm really good at finding Beamers. I needed a way to showcase that's outside of the detailing, that's outside of, it encases it, but it's not my personal, Derek D Designs, my signature, because it's not my 540 or my 750. But again, I'm really good at finding these cars, and I wanted to, well, again, find a way to showcase all that I do, but then let other people enjoy it. So these are going to be the cars that I restore and that I sell. So my 740 is one of them. That was documented on the website. This 750 is going to be one of them. My other 750 was one of them. Me 32. So yeah, all the BMWs that I find and restore, those are going to be like the Bimmerfinders thing. Now all of them that I find and build, like truly build like that, and like my 5, that's different. That's a Derek D Designs, obviously, because I designed them. But anyway, with that said, this is my new car. Nice old 750, white on black on white on black. 213,000 miles on it. Runs pretty good. Needs a little bit of suspension work right back there. But the leather is decent other than that. The rest of it's very dyeable, very fixable. It's got all the fun stuff. Reclining rear seats, rear lighter, K40 radar detector, which is cool as fuck. And the important part, it's got that. So it is going to need a smidge of PDR. These gaskets are going to get replaced. These gaskets are going to get replaced because they don't exist damn near. Obviously, really good paint correction. I may, most likely not, but may, due to this checking in the paint, and these cracks are what's called crow's feet, actually, which means that the paint is failing from the underside. That's there, and it's up here, which means roof, sunroof, quarters, and trunk would have to be painted. However, this is Alpine white, not a metallic, so that's very easy, and I already have that paint here. Paint these at the same time. Clean this shit up. I did in the last one. Probably do gaskets, repaint the valve covers like I did on the other one, make this just pretty. And also the body, smidge of door rest down there. The worst of it is on the back door, but I should be able to work with all of that. Plus I can just paint the bottom sides of the doors instead of doing the entire thing. Everything else, I mean, it's oxidized, but it's got potential in it, so it's just a matter of getting tree sap off. Previous owner's wife would use the car to paint on, and that's why there's overspray here and there. Why? What sense that makes? I don't know. Don't ask me. But yeah, I was gonna park this car out, and then I saw it, and I was like, fix that. And here I got the toolkit, because I guess they took the screws out. I don't know. I just put that back up there. Full carpet on the trunk, which is great. Fog light lens. Goes back up front. That's for the seat. That's for the wheels. Oh yeah, that's free if anybody wants it. Just pay shipping. CD changer. Yeah, it's just dirty. Let's make a really nice car. Oh, I'm also going to replace these center caps with the right ones. Or even switch these wheels with my Style 3s from the blue car. Something like that. But yeah, this is a solid little car. So this will be for sale next, I guess.